Hey everyone! Ready to torch those calories and get into the best shape of your life? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a 30-minute HIIT workout that's perfect for rapid weight loss and building serious endurance. First things first, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is all about pushing your body to its limits with short, intense bursts of exercise followed by brief recovery periods. The best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime, with no special equipment needed. Alright, let's get started with a quick warm-up. You want to get your blood flowing and muscles ready to work. Start with some jumping jacks for 1 minute. Then move into high knees for another minute. And finish with some dynamic stretches. Think leg swings and arm circles. Feeling warmed up? Great. Now, let's dive into the workout. We're going to do 6 exercises, each for 45 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. We'll repeat the circuit 5 times. Ready? Let's go. First up, burpees. Drop down, kick your feet back, push up, jump up. Keep that core tight and move as fast as you can. Next, mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and bring your knees to your chest, one at a time. Imagine you're running up a mountain. Third, jump squats. Feet shoulder-width apart, squat down and explode up. Use your arms to help propel you. Fourth, plank jacks. Start in a plank position and jump your feet out and in, like a jumping jack but on the ground. Keep your core engaged. Fifth, high knees. Run in place, bringing your knees up to your chest as high as you can. Pump those arms. Finally, we have bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your elbow to the opposite knee, alternating sides. Remember, it's not about how many reps you do, but the quality and intensity of each movement. Push yourself, but listen to your body. After the circuit, take a minute to catch your breath and grab some water. Stay hydrated, it's crucial. Now let's repeat the circuit 4 more times. You got this. As you get stronger, you can increase the intensity, add more rounds, or shorten the rest periods. The key is consistency and pushing your limits each time you do this workout. And there you have it. A 30-minute HIIT workout that's guaranteed to burn serious calories and get you in shape fast. Remember, fitness is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Stay motivated, stay committed, and keep pushing. See you next time.